Hello, today I'm going to walk you through the process to complete your profile as a tutor on TutorBees.net. First of all, on the landing page, you can see the button Register. Click on this button and now click on I'm a teacher to open the tutor registration form. First of all, give your full name, your email address and password carefully so you remember that password for the future. Password must be at least 6 characters long. Then let us know how did you find about TutorBees.net. In the end, read terms and conditions carefully and click here to confirm that you accept the terms and conditions. As you can see, we have signed up on the platform. Now click on Continue to complete the profile. In this step, you need to fill up your personal information and add a professional looking profile picture that will help your profile to stand out in all tutor profiles. Now, this section is the most important section for you. Complete it carefully and accurately. Write down the languages you speak, the subjects you teach, and your qualifications. Introduce yourself in at least 500 words that will be added as description of your profile. Make sure there are no grammatical mistakes in your description. You should check the grammar and spelling using Quillbot. Write a compelling description to make your profile stand out among other tutors. Mention clearly which subjects you can teach and to which grades or age groups. Also mention your relevant teaching experience. Please mention these subjects carefully because at a later step you will need to record a 5 minutes demo on each subject mentioned on your profile. In the end, add your minimum and maximum hourly rate. These rates will be visible on your profile. Click on Submit and your first step is completed. After completing tutor profile, let's move to the onboarding course.